Hello, friend. Peace be upon you. How are you doing today? I hope everything is well with you. Today, I will help you with your queries. If you forget your Gmail account password, you can recover it using your recovery options. If you have forgotten your Gmail account password, don't worry, you can reset it easily. In today's video, I will explain everything step by step so that you can follow along easily. If you forget your Gmail account password, you will need to verify your identity. If you encounter issues, make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Then you will be able to recover your account and you will receive an email with further instructions. Click on the link provided by Google and it will guide you through the recovery process. You will need to enter some information to verify your identity, so follow the prompts. If your device is locked and you can't access it, try using your backup PIN or fingerprint unlock feature. If those options are not available, you may need to reset your device. Here, you will be asked to provide some information. So, please enter your details correctly. You will need to follow the instructions provided to proceed. Make sure you have access to the recovery email or phone number linked to your Gmail account. You may need this information to recover your account successfully. The number of Gmail accounts you have created can affect the recovery process. Make sure to provide the correct information for the account you wish to recover. This number is important for recovering your account, so keep it safe and secure. If you have any issues, refer back to the recovery options provided by Google. Click on the door to open your account and click on the forgotten email link. Click on the name associated with the door and click on the name for your account. The name for the door will be provided when you click. So definitely click on the door to open your Gmail account with the name of your account, the name of your country, and the name you are looking for. If you cannot find your name, then you can still access your Gmail account. So make sure to provide the name of your Gmail account, which is the name of your country, and provide that name when asked. So I will provide the name. When opening the door, you will see your correct number, and you need to click on the number to send it. So I need to click on the send button. So when you click on the number, you'll have to submit the code here. So here I will give you an automatic response and see that my code is present. So I will give you an automatic response. So this is it. Please look at our inbox to see the updates. I am not saying no. I am not saying no. That as long as you have opened a Gmail account with your name, that account has been opened, that account has been opened, that account has been opened. So what Gmail is saying, everything can be seen here. So when your Gmail account is accessible, you need to confirm that. When your Gmail account is available, please remember your password and keep it safe. So you will provide your Gmail account details. So I have written down a name for the Gmail account. So please click to recover your password after you have entered your details. So click on the forgotten password link to access your account, try to retrieve it, and you will be asked to click on it. You can see your password here. You can see your new password here. So when you go here for a new password, your Gmail will be with you. Don't worry, it's okay. So click on the links that are yours. You will find your own. Just click on the links that are yours. You should not forget that number for your Gmail account. Everyone should not face difficulties. Okay, so there are two videos that are not available right now, so be careful. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments. All right, so keep the faith, stay blessed. God bless.